Hey guys, it has been a long time that we have posted a video on YouTube, and this video is specifically for email marketers, lead generation specialists, and digital marketers. In this video tutorial, I will show how we can validate the email address in the Google Sheet using Gamalogic email validation add-on on Google Sheets. And this is very important tool for everyone, those who manage the databases or CRMs or the contactees or email addresses in the Google Sheet. And this is something that everyone does nowadays. And this is so we already had an email validation script which was shared on the blog, which is in the description, and that was used by nearly 3000 users for last year. And we found that we need to make this script very simpler and user friendly to the users who doesn't know how to use Google Script. So we what we thought was like to develop a new add-on that will be helping us everyone to install in the Google Sheets itself rather than just copy and pasting the script. Now let's start to install this add-on in our Google Sheet. Let's go to our browser, open google.com and type Google Sheets. So you can see the Google Sheet link displayed, and just click on the link, go to Google Sheets, and then now click on the blank document. Now the untitled spreadsheet will be opened. Just rename into email address list 2021, and then save this file. And now we need to install this add-on. Click on add-ons and then go to get add-ons. Now you will see a pop-up and you can search these add-ons from the search apps, but still you can go to the website, our website, go to the blog, click on the link of the marketplace, I mean Google Workspace Marketplace. Now your new tab opens. Here you can install this add-on directly from this marketplace. Now we are going to search Gamalogic in the marketplace. Once you type, click search, and then you will be able to see the add-on and the detailed description how to install this product and each every features, pricing, etc. So you can also review us here. If you like our product, just click on the 5-star. Now install it, click on continue. New window pops up. Select the account that you need to verify for using this product. Click on allow, and then that's it, just install. Okay, so or you can uninstall it. So whenever you go to the marketplace and you refresh, you can see that it is installed. Go to add-ons, click on that, go to our add-on Gamalogic email verifier and email finder. Now you can see the sidebar has popped up. Go to our list of the tabs. You can see the how to get free credits. So you just go to this tutorial, find out how to claim that. You can get 10,000 free credits. Now you can also check how we can get an API key. So you can go to this tutorial and find how to get that API key. Just sign in to our dashboard. Go to our API key page. Click on that. Just copy the API key from the dashboard and just paste into the text box in the add-on. So now you can click on the tutorial from the drop down, see the blog tutorial, video tutorial, and also in the add-on itself you can watch directly into this YouTube tutorial from there. Now click on the add-on button, see about us, which leads to our home website. So you can learn more about us. So go through there, and again you can see the help button where you can see the how to get more information on this product, get how the support page, etc. So everything is detailed in the add-on. Now let's see whether the API key is working on the add-on. First of all, we need to check if the credits is working or not. So let's click on the refresh button in the credit side, and you can see the credits has been displayed. Now we need to add the headers. Just click on the checkbox add headers and wait for it. So now the headers has been displayed. So here we can add the email address, so we can get the results in the sorted manner. So that's what we do. Let's click on the headers again, and you can see the headers has been disappeared. So you can buy credits now from the add-on itself. Just click on that and reset button to clear the entire spreadsheet, so there won't be any data. Let's now start how to validate email address. So let's click on add headers again, wait for the headers to display, and I have a list of email address in my Excel file. I'm just copying the list into the Google Sheets. So let me copy it first. So we have nearly 26 email addresses actually, so excluding the headers. And let's click on the start validation and validate the email address list. So it will take some time. Now the results has been displayed in the spreadsheet. So you can see the results are in colored code, so it is easy to sort. You can see that I have been used 26 numbers of credits, so total number of email address was 26. So each validation will take one credit, so 26 email validations means 26 credits. And now you can sort this email address list into whether it is valid, whether it is not valid, or catch all address. So using filtering facility, we can sort this into green, which means all the valid ones will be displayed in the spreadsheet alone. So we can filter accordingly, so it will be easy for marketers to just to sort these things. So if you can filter into a different color code, now you can filter the invalid ones using red color code. So you can see here the all the invalid ones has been filtered out. So for each color code you can do that. So now we are going to filter the catch-all address. So let's do that. Sort the color by yellow. You can see that we have sorted the color by yellow. So those are the catch-all address. So I think I have described each and every point for email validation add-on on Google Sheets. So this is how we can validate things. So you can validate any number of email addresses. So more the email address means more time that would be consuming. So you can sort this one, we can filter it out this one. So our percentage of validation accuracy is like 98 percentage. So we are one of the best in the industry. Now one more thing I need to share some input on these things, like if there is any typo errors in the email address, these email addresses will be checked through our system and figure out whether do you mean this email address. So if you think if there is any information or do you mean, kindly take that. Don't take the email address, because we will be checking for the typos, we'll checking for any spelling errors on the domain part. So these things can be sorted out using our typo correction tool, so which already integrate in our system. Apart from this video tutorial, we have a blog, and where all these tutorial have been mentioned. You can go to our tutorial section in the dashboard. So there are also many tutorials on this product. You can go through that. And one more thing, this is only just a email validation tool. Now there is a tool called email finder in the same add-on itself. So in our coming tutorial will be on email finder using names and URLs. So that will be a easier tool for lead generation specialist to generate email address. Now thank you for now. Let's go through the next tutorial.